place discovered, I was pretty young. Parents used to take us down here, and my brother go exploring down the rocks. Although it's happened, I don't know if I got older or whatever, but I don't have the balls to go all that close to the water anymore. You can go down there and get starfish where you see where the seaweed is, get splashed by the waves. You see sea cucumbers, they're real fun to squeeze, and all the juice comes out of them. Kind of sadistic. So anyway, we're here at this place called Great Head. It's on the other side of Sand Beach from Beehive. There's a bunch of lobster traps out there. You can see all the buoys marking that. But this particular spot's kind of interesting. You have this little cave back here. It's a standard structure for the Maine coast. This one's probably one of the more accessible ones. I've seen a few. And you know, right now the tide's pretty far out. There's pretty small waves to begin with. But the tide's rolling in. I remember one time we were here, November. It was snowing. It was twilight. We were sitting right about here, and the waves would come rushing all the way back, and they would actually spill out this back section, and we would be left dry right here. And occasionally a wave would come crossing over the top of the mountains or the rocks on the sides of us, and that would really splash. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, a couple times I got real scared. You know, just fly up the mountain because I really thought we were gonna get washed away. Of course, it's pretty exhilarating. It's definitely probably like one of those magical moments I've had on the coast. And you can just see, you know, if you look at the rocks, you see all the wear and tear the water does over time. There's water up as high as where we left our stuff up there. So, you know, even nowadays, it's not really storm season or anything, but water's reaching up that height time to time. Seagulls. But because of the occasion here where the tide's out, it's kind of necessary that we go explore. You see a starfish over there, which will mess with the mix. Another one over there. Kind of looking for different things. And there's a sea anemone right here. I don't remember if they sting you or not. Alright, well I can't. It just kind of pulled its little penises in. And I don't want to kill it, so I'm not going to pull it off there. But there it is. Yeah, and like pulled in its little like tentacle things. But it's real soft. Like, I might kill it. Look at these pink starfish over here. It's important to remember always when you're in these little caves that you're on a timer because the tide's coming in. And you really don't want to be caught in here when the first wave comes. But I do know that starfish do not sting you, so we will take this sucker out. Yeah. You can see on the bottom, it's got some mucus layer. It's probably feeding on that plant. Just get rid of that. You can see its little mouth in the middle. That's where it chews up its food. And if you feel the texture of these legs, it's like a billion different little feet. And you can actually, I'm not going to, but you can rip these off and they grow back. So it loses a tentacle here and it just grows back again. And the reason it's called starfish is because it's always 5. So there's, you know, like a 5-headed star. This one's pretty neat, actually. I might keep him for a while. Big one's over here. This guy, to be honest, I'm kind of freaked out. I don't really want to put my hand near his jaws. But I don't think he can hurt you. They're actually very docile right now. For some reason, he's not reacting. It's pretty neat, though.